stars, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be doing this really cute like pop of pink October makeup look. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, what palette I use and all that good stuff, then just keep watching. And as always, don't forget to shine bright because it's Low Hollywood time. So we're gonna get started, and I want to do something like very Halloween, very orange look. So we're gonna dig into the Artistry palette by Jeffree times Morphe. We're gonna start with Mr. Diva right here. So going into Boss Angel, so we're going to deepen up the crease. Okay, and then we're going to dig into this Calabasas shade. Okay, I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to go ahead and let's dig into this designer label. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and add, I think we're gonna add this girl shade right here. So beautiful. I'm gonna try to use my finger with this one. Yes, so beautiful. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more of this Calabasas shade and just kind of pack it in this outer corner. For the inner corner, I kind of want to do something wild, like a little pop of color. So we're going to dig into this Pink Fleet shade. Love that shade. And we're just going to pop her right in here. And then with our flat brush, we're going to go ahead and dig into this Dog Mom shade. Just like this peachy, glittery shade, shimmery shade, and just pop her right inside that pink. Ooh, so cool. For the waterline, I'm going to use this NYX Vivid Brights cream color. I like to apply this with a angled brush. I'm going to go ahead and take some of the Calabasas shade one more time, and we're just going to add this in the lower lash line. And then just going to take an angled brush and just kind of dig back into Calabasas and make sure that there's no gaps in the lower lash line. So I do kind of want to tight line this top lash line, so I'm going to just go into the black, so into Fast Lane, and start to tie line with an angled brush. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes, and then I'll add some mascara, and I'll be right back to show you the finished look. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I added some lashes. These are the 35 by MAC, but I did add mascara over them so they look a little bit more dramatic. And I also added some of my Tarteist liner just up here because I feel like you could see the band a little bit. So that's just what I did. I added some lower lash mascara as well. I did a little bit of bronzing with my Hoola bronzer. So for blush, I think I want to use this one by MAC. This one is called Gleeful. It's just a beautiful like burgundy shade. For nose highlight, we're using the Anastasia Times Amrezy highlight. I love this one. For highlight, we're going to use this one by MAC. This is Show Gold. And first we're going to use some Morphe setting spray. And while the skin is still wet, we're going to do some MAC Show Gold. And add some of my Flame Pen by MAC. Okay guys, so we're pretty much almost done with this makeup look. I'm really loving like the pink and the orange. I think it looks so cool. So for the lips, I think I'm gonna do kind of like a neutralish lip combo. So we're gonna do Sweet Tea by Morphe. We're going to use this lipstick by MAC. It's called Naturally Transformed. I think this one got discontinued, but I think there are similar colors to this, so it's just like a nude. So I think this looks so pretty with this combo. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. I feel like it came out so bomb. Like, I'm like shook. So I hope you guys enjoyed the look. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you did, let me know down below if you'd like to recreate this. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!